My name is Stephanie Keegan, and this is a demonstration of how to use photo boxes for manipulating your designer series paper without causing any distortion of the patterns and designs. So here I've opened up my digital studio, and I'm going to create a new designer series card from the project options. I'm going to go into greeting card and 5x7 portrait. I'm going to choose a designer template. The card I've selected is called Well Scripted. You can purchase this from Stampin' Up website. We'll leave it here at pick and click to individually insert photos ourselves. So I'm going to hit the next button, and I will call it my photo box demo card. Now that my card is loaded, there are several ways to select your DSPs. You can either use the resource palette. Sometimes it's hidden over here on the left. Just click on the words. Clicking on the little arrow doesn't do anything. Click on the words to expand it or to hide it. And over here on the right, you'll see it says click to access background papers. Then over here on the right, we have a design center. We have the option for background papers and the ability to choose our designer papers from there. So what I'm going to do is open up the designer kit, the Botanical Gazette, which is where the paper I want to use to replace this one is at. So what I'm doing first is removing the paper. I'm going to go over to my background papers sub-menu in the Design Center and click remove to remove the background paper. Then I'm going to go to the photo sub-menu and add a photo box. I'm going to take the photo box and just manipulate it so that it covers the entire area of my card. Going over here to the paper I wanted to replace it with, and I'm going to drag it in until the photo box turns blue. At that point I can let go of my left mouse button and it'll be filled. Now as you can see, it's not exactly in the location or the shape I want, but at this point, because it's a photo box, I can still change the aspect that I want to be shown. There are a few things you can do here. Over here on the right under photos, I can zoom in using the little magnifying glasses, and we can double click on the photo, and here is where we get to really personalize our cards. So what I want that little bird up here on the top so that that original design that's in the designer series card will show up. So I just line that up by clicking and dragging and click OK. Now up at the top we have a change object layer button. I'm going to go ahead and send it to the back, and now we have our element showing, and if you wanted to you could move that over. You can hit command and left click on a Mac and control and left click on a PC, and you'll be able to select as many items as you want, and then hold and drag so that you can move the two objects together. And at this point you can add embellishments if you'd like. You can add some buttons or anything else, just personalize it to your liking. And that's how you can use a photo box to help you manage your DSPs.